Hello everyone, welcome back. This is just going to be a very simple video on how to convert lists to arrays and also how to take arrays and convert them to lists. Monday.com is your visual project management solution. This is the tool that allows you to see where every task or project stands with a single glance. With a fully customizable interface, you can create the exact workflow that you need for you and your team to get stuff done. Monday.com is available on mobile and integrates well with some of the most popular tools out there, so get your life in order by giving it a try for free, link in the description. So, to show this, I have a list here, and I have, well, in this situation, we have a jagged array, but I'm just going to be using one of these arrays and convert that to a list. So let's take a look and see what this looks like. So first thing, let's talk about taking a list and converting it to an array. All you have to do is first, obviously, have the list created. In this situation, we're just creating a new list and filling it with one value, 5. And before I show you guys how to do this, let's just take a second to talk about why you might do this. The primary reason is sometimes you're going to be working with methods or different collections that require a specific type of value, whether it's an array or a list of a particular type. And we can't just give a list to something that's expecting an array and expect it to work. Instead, we'll have to convert it, and we can convert it on the spot when we pass it, or we can assign it to another variable. So to do the conversion, all you do is say stuff.toArray, and that's pretty much it. I mean, it's kind of simple. Now, this is going to return an integer array, so you actually have to assign it to something or pass it to another method. So if you wanted to assign it to something, all you would do is do something like this. And there you go. The sizing is going to be good, and then you can work with my R as if it was this list here, but now it's in array form. So that's the first thing. The next thing is I want to talk about how to take an array and convert that to a list. It works very similarly. So to show you guys that, let's go after this creation of this jagged array, and let's take one of these arrays inside of it. So to do that, we can say student grades, and we can pass in an index 0, and then say toList. And same thing, you're going to need to assign this or pass it to something or use it. It's not just going to work like that. The original variable is always going to be typed, in this case, to an integer array. So we needed to assign it to something. So what we can do is we can just say list of int my list and assign it this here. So this is going to convert it to a list, and then it's going to be assigned to my list. Now we can go and work with my list as if it was created as a normal list. So that is your simple solution, not like the cleaning supplies. That's your solution to taking an array, converting it to a list, and taking a list and converting it to an array. Hopefully that was helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video because we're going to be talking about something new. Yeah. I don't know why I got like a weird southern accent there for a second, but whatever. See you guys in the next one.